Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. As all of us know that due to the situation created by COVID-19, almost all the education activities are being performed online. AIOU is also conducting its workshops online in this semester. In this video, we will learn how to attend online workshops of Allama Iqbal Open University. Let me tell you that Allama Iqbal Open University has its own LMS learning management system with the brand name Agi. So all these workshops will be conducted online on Agi LMS portal of Allama Iqbal Open University. So what you have to do to attend these workshops online? The step 1 is that you have to open your browser. We suggest that you use Chrome browser. In Chrome you will type the address of this website or URL of this website in address bar. The address of the website is aagi.aiou.edu.pk. After entering address in the address bar, press enter key on the keyboard. This page will be displayed. You will enter your username and password. Click on login button. This page will be displayed. Go to my courses menu and click on your desired course. This is the home page of any particular course. Scroll down the page. Here you will find the workshop schedule. Please click on the link of scheduled workshop. It is pertinent to mention that click on the workshop link just in time and not before the teacher. This page will be displayed with the join session button on it. Click on join session. To attend these virtual classrooms or the workshop online workshops, you must have a stable internet connection, a PC or laptop or a mobile device with smart features, and a speaker or the headphone. Now please, it is giving you two options, microphone and listen only. Please click on the listen only mode.
We're the only person in this conference.
This is the virtual classroom, which is divided in 3 sections. In the first section, the list of the participants or the names of those students and teachers who are attending this workshop will be displayed. The next section is the chat box or the chat room. This is really important for the students because students will join the virtual classroom in listen only mode, so they can ask their question by typing in this chat box. For example, teacher can answer either using the same chat box or through the mic or the sound or the voice. The third section is the main section of this classroom. This will act as a whiteboard or as the screen of the projector if teacher will upload any presentation for you. So if teacher will write on the whiteboard or will draw anything to make his or her point clear, it will be displayed for the students in this section. And in the same section, if any presentation is uploaded by the teacher, it will also be displayed over here for the students. There are the different controls which are available. For example, here it is leave audio and join the microphone mode, and the next is the share webcam. If teacher asks you to share your webcam, then you have to share your webcam, but it is not mandatory for the students to share their webcams. In the right top corner you can see 3 dots. When your class has ended or finished, you will click on these 3 dots. A menu will be displayed. Click on the last option of the logout and you will be logged out of the class. Press OK and it will take you back to the LMS portal. To go to the home page of your course, you will click on the course code, which will be displayed over here. This is just a dummy course, a training course, so no course code over here, but actually your course code will be here. And the next time when you want to attend any of your workshops, you will log in the same method. You will go to your schedule and you will click on the desired link. To log out of the system, go to the right top corner. Your name will be displayed over here. When you will hover your mouse on this link or on your name, a drop down menu will open and the last option is logout. You will click on the logout link, and in this way you will be logged out of the system.